What's up, guys? We back with another one. Single cab Silverado cat eyes. We're gonna be doing one of the new installs. I know a lot of people have been wanting a brand new install. It just depends on the customer what their budget is. A lot of times they don't have enough for the new one, or they want to stick to the bigger one, which is the well-known one. It all depends on the preferences. We are going to be doing a new one. These are the Webasto, but they're similar to the Webasto. It's still the same glass size as the Webasto, but it's just a different liner on the inside. Instead of plastic rubber around the trim, it's actually plastic. So let's get to it. Here's the truck. Cat Eye Silverado. This thing's clean. Here's the headliner. And get rid of that headliner. Black out the visors. We'll do some suede handles, clips, lights. Move the light back. Get this guy nice and clean install. Alright guys, let's start taking the headliner out, get everything down. Check it out. Auto shut off. Vent. And then automatic open. Nice. Automatic. Alright, now we're gonna install these do come with drain tubes. We're gonna install the drain tubes to the side of the pillar out the vehicle like we do on the well-dones. It only has 2 drain tubes, and then we'll go ahead and start the headliner process. Alright guys, install's been done. Came out badass. Check it. Perfect.